Hey guys, welcome to the Studio Mogul's in-depth look on workflow procedures and online and offline files. For those who don't know, online files are just simply high resolution files and offline are just low resolution or proxy files. If you just want to simply just transfer your data straight to the studio, you'll open up your inbox, we'll email you a shared folder, your own personal folder. You'll click go to. Once it opens up, you'll then select the wedding you want to transfer. Make sure you've got all the data there. So I can see here I've got camera 1, 2 and 3 audio. Once it's all there, you simply get the root folder, drag and drop it, and it will transfer over time. The next option is to simply go to Google Drive, click on New, create a new folder in Google Drive. Same thing, get the high resolution folder, just drag and drop it, and it will start to upload straight into Google Drive. Another option you can do is go to an FTP. We like to use WinSCP, but FileZilla can also work for us. We just need a host name, username and password, and we'll give you access to your own special space within our server that you can use to get these files across. Now these three file delivery methods can be done with online and offline files. Obviously online files are going to use more data and take a little bit longer, and offline files will be much faster. So let's get started now on how to create offline media. So we're going to mirror everything to start with. So we'll create a new Premiere Pro project and put it in the exact location that it will need to be for offline and online version. Now that we've got our project folder in a location it needs to be, we'll then go back, make an exact same file name of the location, but we'll change the name to offline media. Now that that's been created, what we need to do is our audio file will have our Zoom recorder or whatever audio we've got, our music, and any other elements that we may need, but these need to be small in file size. So what we'll do is we'll completely copy that and make sure that that's in there. We'll then copy the project file to make sure that's there. And then all of these file names will have the exact same file all the way through for our offline media bin. Okay, so now that we've got our file structure the exact same, we've got our audio files that have been copied across into the offline media folder. We've got empty folders here with the exact same file names as the online media. So what we need to do now is we need to transcode each of these clips to an offline format. So once your online media is mirrored with your offline media in terms of files, you're now ready to start creating offline media. Go into Encoder, Preferences, General, specify output destination. So we're now going to set up a destination where our files can go to. Now that that's selected, we're ready to drag and drop our media. Now the reason why I specified a different output destination, as you can see on the right here, by default, it's creating the exact same file name as the online media will be. So here, for example, in the AR7 folder, we can see the first file is C0003. Our output destination is also 3003. It's holding the same file name because it's going to a new location where we specified the file output location prior. So now what we'll do is we'll select everything, click on it, doing a multiple change, very simply match source, we'll go straight down here to 0.6. Now this is going to make it 10 or 11 times smaller than our online media. So now that everything has transcoded, we'll go to the location where we've set up our offline media and we just want to move them across. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and have a look at the original. 15 files in total that we can see there. Go now to the offline. 15 files that we can see there. Now let's just, out of matter of interest, have a look at the file size. So the first file is 388 kilobytes. And the first file is 11 meg. So as you can see, there's quite a significant difference in file size. So what we're going to do now is follow suit for all the rest of these folders down there, except for the audio and our elements, which are already low file sizes. Great, once you've done that, you've got a minimized offline file system. You can easily drag and drop into Google Drive, Dropbox, or your favorite FTP. If you have any questions, you can get me on Skype, which is tim.buckland3. I'm here for 24/7 technical support, or via email, which is support@studiomoguls.com.